What's up?
Why are we in the RS?
This ain't a fucking RS. Oh, what the fuck am I doing? Yo, why we got a Home Depot truck? Damn, they really let us have a Home Depot truck. Alright, Calvin, what the fuck we doing?
We got a 250. We asked for a 240. We got a 250.
I asked for a 150. This was gonna be a 240. Nissan SX. So why do we have a Home Depot truck, Calvin?
I don't know. I called it an STI.
Anyway, dumbass decided to pick up an 05 STI engine, so now we gotta go to Jersey and pick it up, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Smells like ass.
Yeah, they really need to clean these fucking cars better. Anyway, we're out to pick up a fucking STI engine for Mr. Dum Dum over here.
Haha.
So what do you put in the engine in?
GC8 chip box.
It's really badly rusted.
Chip box.
Yeah.
Chip box.
Hey, it's okay. It's content.
Chip box.
It's content.
Chip box.
Merch.
Rust box.
We'll make merch out of it. We'll make money.
Rust box.
Yeah, it's bad. The trunk is falling apart. Oh well. Damn green light. Damn, hour left to go. Middle of bumblefuck New Jersey. How we feeling?
Bumblefuck. I'm getting an STI.
You're not getting an STI engine.
STI.
Brain dead. You're getting an STI engine, dummy. Oh, truck buddy. Hello, truck buddy. Yo, honk the horn. Well, we ain't got no public bathrooms. Anyway, we're 5 minutes away, and the guy ain't home yet, is he?
No.
Damn, brain dead. All right, we chilling at Wawa.
Initial D.
What do you mean?
If you watch Initial D, you wouldn't go buy a 240 to go drift it. You would go buy 86.
Yeah, except 86 prices have like skyrocketed because that stupid shit. Yo, if I'm gonna buy any car from Initial D, my Itsuki 85.
I mean, you might as well buy an 85. It's the same exact thing as an 86. Just do engine mods to it.
No, it's not. It's the principle of the thing. It's gotta be an 86. It's gotta have the chassis code.
So
you'd say you'd own an 85.
No, I said own 86.
But like, would you buy an 85 and try to make it like an 86? Or would you just not bother with that? You'd do it? You'd buy an 85 and try to make it like an 86.
Bro, it's the same thing what you're doing. You bought it in present saying it's an STI.
It is an STI.
Exactly! Yeah.
Don't put your feet on the dash.
I was about to say, this is not our car, right? Oh.
Yo, we pulled up. Engine.
Alright, bye.
You know what I'm thinking about? How am I gonna mount these rear quarter things? Because like, look, this one came with like. I guess I could just do like I could drill the holes myself. You know what I mean?
The corner on this one's split.
Is it?
Yeah. I don't know if you wanna. I mean, are you gonna paint them or not?
Yeah, no, my car's a different color completely.
Right off the corner, dude.
Damn, that drops all the price money. No, I'm kidding.
$75. Epoxy it on. I'll pull it off.
Yeah, I can pull it. If you could try
Very
to pull
gently.
it off. I could like, dude, fiberglass the back one. My car's all body paint anyway. I already rebonded my rear quarters because I had really bad rust.
Oh, it broke again?
Who gives a shit? As long as it flows. Yeah,
I mean,
that's
yeah,
fine.
the part that you see is good, dude.
That's fine because I don't have this on my bumper because I have an NA.
Okay.
So
I'll save that little. That's the most important piece, dude. You put this in the cab, right?
Yeah, I'll just throw it there. Hold up.
You need one of these.
What? A jack? Why do you need a jack when you have two hands? How are we feeling?
What the fuck did I just do?
What do you mean? It's fine. Balling. It's an engine. We chilling. This is a good purchase, don't worry.
It was a good deal.
It's a great purchase. It's a great purchase. I had the camera zoomed in the whole time.
Damn,
got your pretty face.
clown.
Damn, back to New York we go, baby. Yo, I think we're back in New York. You don't want to know how I can tell? Damn, traffic. Shit. Yo, Belt Parkway though.
Subi gang. Subi gang. Subi gang.
Oh, damn. Damn, you can't see shit. How you doing, Kelvin? Oh, you can't see anything. God damn.
God damn, I can't even get inside the garage.
Hold up, let me get in here. Oh, shit.
Fuck.
Yo, this camera can't take. You can't see anything. God damn, it's dark as shit.
Alright, so how you want to...
Wait, you got a camera light? Like on your phone?
Yeah.
Oh, I want to take a video.
Why?
STI block.
Trans.
That's mine.
You're a trainee? He's
Right.
a trainee? It's a trainee?
My 5-speed. The other parts for the block. One of Calvin's GC8s. The other GC8. Calvin, tell us about your GC8s.
Woo!
Tell us about your GC8s.
No, it's shit boxes.
Oh, so there's Calvin's block. Now we gotta put this shit together and we gotta go return the Home Depot 250.
Let's go.
Alright, fuck, let's go.